Hi, this is Jeana at Art of Skincare, and today I want to give you a quick start guide to using your Time Master Pro. This is an excellent tool. It's very easy to use, and I don't want you to feel intimidated. So your TMP is going to come with a plug, a cord in the box. Now you can see that when you get yours, it is going to be already set up so that you can use it in the US, to use it in Europe and other places where you need a different kind of plug. It also has that on there, so you can use it either way. It also comes with a screwdriver in the box. What that is used for is if in the future, a year or two from now, you find that you need to replace the battery in your Time Master Pro, you can open it up and do that. So far, we've been selling them for a couple of years now. We have not had to replace a battery yet, but if you find you do need to replace your battery, just reach out to us and we can help you get one from Time Master. Now, when you get this device, go ahead, plug it in, set it aside. I would let it charge all night the first night. This red light will turn green when your device is fully charged, and it's a good idea to give it a good 8-hour charge when you first get it home. So in the future, when you want to check your device and see if it needs further charging, if you plug it in, it's green, you're good. If you need more charging, plug it in. I find that I charge mine every few uses. Otherwise, as the battery gets lower, you don't get the full effect. You don't get the full strength of your device. Now, I do have people who ask me or say to me they don't know if their device is really working. They think maybe their head's not working or something like that. So I want to show you, in every case where we've had people ask that question, we found that it really is working. So we've come up with a simple, easy way for you to test your device and make sure that it works. So on the top, there's two buttons here. The top button is your power. You hold it until it beeps. If you just push it once really quick, I'm going to hold it now and turn it off. Now, if I just push this once, it's not going to turn on. And then you're wondering if it works or not, and it's not working because it's not turned on. You have to hold it until it beeps. And then the LED lights come on. And then each time you push the little button on top, that increases the strength. And there's a bar of lights across here. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, so that you can determine what strength you want to use. Everybody starts on the level 1 until they get used to it, and then they work up pretty quickly to the strongest level. Now, the way to test this device and see if it indeed is working is to get your isocell recovery solution. We send this out to our customers with their device. You could also use water if you wanted to, but I'm just going to spray it on top. And you can see on there the steam that comes up and little bits of water start popping on the head on there. That means this device is indeed working. That's how you know it's working. Now, your device, I'm going to turn this off so I can show you what all the buttons do. Push your button until it turns on. Push it again to turn it up in strength. Now, to change out your LED, you push the bigger button on the bottom. The flashing, that's going to be your strongest level and penetration of infrared. Now, here's your red LED. Red LED is for anti-aging. It's for fighting inflammation. It's for healing. It's for healing sun-damaged skin. It's my favorite setting. Most people who are worried about aging, that's their favorite setting, is red. Now, blue setting, that's for those of you oily folks out there. If you have oily skin, this is going to help balance out your oil production. Blue light also kills bacteria, so it can help with, if you have a little pimple or something like that going on, it's going to help kill the bacteria in that area. Next, you have green. Green is for hyperpigmentation, so anywhere that you have a hyperpigmentation in the neck, the arms, the chest, I get it on my cheeks, that's where I'm going to be using the green. Then there we go with no LED, so it's actually still vibrating, but there's no LED, and some people are just sensitive to LED and they don't want to use LED. There's the multicolor right there, and then flashing, and then you go through all of the different colors. You just push the button. Now, this device is going to stay on for 10 minutes. If you find that you want to use it longer for 10 minutes, say you want to do your face and then you want to go to your neck and chest, or you want to go to your arms, then you just turn it on and start it over again on the timer. So I want to show you, give you some quick information now on how to get the most out of your TMP. Now, number 1, people think it's not working when indeed the only problem is that they have not applied the conductive gel. So the Sculptra Conductive Gel comes with your device. Your skin must have this gel on it in order for the device to work and for those ultrasound waves to penetrate. Also, if you don't have a gel on, you are going to burn out your device and overheat it. So you want to put on your gel, and that gel needs to stay moist. So once you put on the gel and you use your device to work it around, as it starts to dry out or get sticky and not glide anymore, you have two choices. You can add more of the glide gel, or you can get out the isocell recovery solution that we sent you, which actually also helps with the ultrasound penetration because of the minerals in it. Spritz that onto your skin and that re-wets it, and then you can keep using your device. Now, you only want to use this device twice a week for 10 minutes. So if you want to use it every day, there is a way that you can do that, but not on the same area. So do your face for 10 minutes, and then day 2, do your neck and your chest area for 10 minutes. Then day 3, do your arms and your hands. It's very important, very helpful to use the TimeMaster Pro on the back of your hands, especially if you're seeing a lot of thinning of the skin on your hands and your arms. It's really going to help that area tremendously. So if you do that cycle where you're doing the face, then you do a neck and chest, and then you do the arms, then you're rotating, and then you will get your face done twice per week. So doing this TimeMaster Pro twice per week for 10 minutes is all you need to do. Many of our other devices require a longer amount of time in order to see results, but with the TimeMaster Pro, it's just so quick and easy and really can fit into your schedule. When you're done using your TimeMaster, I just grab an antibacterial cloth. I wipe it off with that. You do not want to immerse this in water. That would be bad for you. You don't want to use harsh chemicals on it, alcohol, anything like that. I wipe it with my antimicrobial cloth, and then I have this bag from my Skin Buddy. This is a UV sanitizing bag. So what I will do is just stick my TimeMaster Pro into the UV sanitizing bag, zip it up, turn it on, and I'll show you the UV lights in there. See that UV lights? So, and that will sanitize my device, and so it's ready for me to use it the next time. So that's your quick and easy protocol for using the TimeMaster Pro. It gets it out of the box, it gets it plugged in and charged so that you can start playing with it on your face. Now, this is not a device where you just hold and wait till the beep and then hold and wait till the beep. There is no segmenting in the beeps. It's just on for the full 10 minutes. So what you're gonna do is just keep massaging and massaging all over your face, top of your nose, your lips, everywhere, getting up a little bit in the hairline, everywhere that you wanna plump that skin. You're gonna do that for the full 10 minutes. It's not gonna beep and tell you to move. When it's done with the 10 minutes, it's gonna shut off. That's when you can decide, well, I also want to do my neck and chest, then you can turn it back on again. And when you do your neck, be sure and you go around the back, because the back of the neck is part of that lifting and plumping that we want to do with the TimeMaster. Those are your basic tips. That's all you need to know to get started. So get into your TimeMaster Pro, get it out of the box, and have some fun. Stay tuned to our channel, and I will have some more advanced tips for you in using your TimeMaster Pro coming up soon.